Okay, so this is the Ego self-propelled mower. It's the Ego LM2130SP. So yeah, it's a battery-powered electric lawnmower, and it's fairly expensive. What I like about it is that it has changeable batteries, and if you're in the Ego Arc lithium system that they have, it's basically all the batteries are interchangeable, so that's something that's really nice. I think also has an LED light on it, it's self-propelled, all these other things, and it folds pretty nicely. And then you can also fold it down this way. And this essentially is how you'll fold it up and store it. So unlock these. And then that's how it can be stored. So those are a couple things that are pretty nice about it. I think power-wise, it's probably not as powerful as a gas-powered one, and gas will probably last longer than these batteries, but I think overall it's a pretty nice package, and does our lawn in just over one of these batteries that it has in it. This one's a 56. This one's one of the bigger ones. Yeah, this one's the 7.5 amps. So to start, you press the power button, and then you press this down and start up. So I think something that's nice about these is that I think it's a little bit quieter than the gas-powered ones. And the other thing that's really nice, especially if you're getting older, is that it's pretty easy to, or not pretty easy, it's effortless to start it. I think that's one of the things that's really nice about it. And if I need help pushing up a hill or something, I can use this self-propelled feature. So this will turn the speed up. So if I press this down, then I press this and it'll start up by itself. So if you're having problems with like getting up hills or something like that, this is something that you can use to help out with that. But overall, the experience has been pretty good. It hasn't been, really have no complaints about it. I think it comes with another blade as well that's nice and sharp, and it does a pretty good job with our lawn too. So, and I think if you have a big lawn, then you probably don't want to use this particular one, but if you like pushing and not the riding lawnmowers, which I believe these have it too. I think this company makes riding lawnmowers as well. So yeah, press that, and then I can also turn it up too, so. Goes pretty fast, but obviously this will also use more of the battery, so, but it's nice that you have an adjustable, it's going pretty quick. Something that's adjustable to change the speed. Something that's also nice, which you do have to have this fully extended for it to work. So what happens here is you push it down here and then lock it in. So you cannot use it like this. So if you wanted somebody who is quite a bit shorter, you can't really do that. So you do have to have this fully extended, but you can do this when you want to fold it up. So once this is fully out here, you can do that. So if you have somebody who's a little bit shorter, what you can do is lock it in there. So there's 3 settings there. One here, and the setting that I was at, and then setting a little bit higher if you're a bit taller. So you can see how that looks there. I find that I like it really much in the middle, so I have the mulching attachment onto it, but it also has a bag it's an okay sized bag, and it's pretty easy to come off and no big issues there. Wheels here are plasticky. I think it's more so for durability. I think the plastic will probably last a bit longer than, let's say, like a rubber tire. But yeah, overall, have this for about a year and a half, and yeah, it's worked pretty well. Haven't had really any issues with it yet, which should be good. And yeah, when we get solar panels, this essentially will hold like all be ran via green energy. So that's something that's really nice that we can use moving forward, and yeah, have something that we're not using gas with. So if you do have any questions, I do have smaller batteries that work with this as well, that came with the snowblower that I did a review on. If you haven't seen that, check it in the link in the top right corner. But yeah, those do fit in here too, so I technically have 3 batteries for this. So if you needed this, you can switch them out, and they come with the chargers as well. But the big cost here is the batteries, really. The lawnmower doesn't really cost nearly as much. It costs a lot more with the actual batteries. So yeah, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.